Alright, so this is our balcony. You come in, you have 2 hooks. You can hang whatever you want to on there. These lights right here, it's a makeup room and do not disturb button. You can turn them on, and there's lights above the doors on the outside that illuminates, telling the stewardess what you need. In order to turn on the lights, you do have to insert your key card, which is kind of dumb, but you know, I guess power saving, I don't know. It's still kind of dumb. Alright, to the left, we have a full-length mirror. Hey guys, how's it going? Light is on the outside. And this is our bathroom. We have a walk-in shower, which is, I think, it's kind of bigger than what we were used to. Yeah, it's definitely bigger than what we're used to. Obviously, toilet. Because we are in a spa suite, we got upgraded to a spa suite. Or excuse me, a spa balcony, not a spa suite, but a spa balcony. We do get these Bulgari toiletries. And then you have your soap, trash can, sink, towels, all the storage that you need. Coming on further, you have this bed, or this couch. Yeah, it's a couch, not a bed. You can use it as a bed, it's pretty big. The closet space, you got a bunch of shelves over here, hanging items over here. They do come with hangers, which is great. We got a desk. On our desk, we just came back from the box office scheduling our shows. We have our Breakaway, our internet package instructions, and our short excursion tickets. We have coffee, little Keurig machine, our daily, our freestyle daily. It's like a cruise compass. They actually gave us 2 face masks and this jug of distilled water, which is kind of different, kind of weird. But I'm not complaining. Phone, remote for this TV, and then you have the lovely bed. I believe it's a double bed, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there is a seam right there. Double bed, and then my favorite part, the balcony. There is the famous Wyland Whale Wall that's right outside of the Hilton Riverside, and yeah, there's still people coming in, boarding the cruise.